so let's start with the Mbox. So this is the pre-market notes. Okay, so in order to understand the key important concept, you have to go through for my first video, which is my regular video, right? To understand the context, and I would suggest you watch that first video at least for the first few minutes, to understand this context and what is going on, what can happen, and all these things, the importance of the levels. So I'm going to scroll through here, right, as usual, and you just watch that video first, at least for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, and then you watch Mbox video. Okay. So here, so first thing I noticed here, right, so this is after the fact, right, so I literally did not look at Mbox, so I'm going to be honest with you. So I did not look at the Mbox yesterday, in the morning, because I was so damn busy in trading my levels, so, and anyway I traded only up to 10 o'clock, or even 9:50, that's it. And then I didn't even get a chance to look at all these things, right? So now I'm looking at this while preparing this video, and I was foolish enough not to look at these things in the morning, but anyway, you can see it here. See, there was a clear cut selling signal in Mbox yesterday, clear cut. So you can see there is a selling here going on right in the morning, in the pre-market around 7:30, and then you can see it overall. Damn, Ninja is so slow today in the morning. That's why I can see this lagging, it's not moving, mouse is not moving fast, but you can see it here. Damn thing is so slow. God damn it. So, but anyway, if you look at this morning price action in the pre-market, overall there was a lot of X control dots, selling dots overall, and there is and less buying dots, and if you look at this, minus 144.23, minus 404, right, and here upside 280, 83, 283, 80, 96, 38. See, so if you look at this, there is a shift going on. So up to this point in the morning, you can see the delta was even diverging, but they were in a higher side, right? Then up to from after 8:30, you can see the upside delta is decreasing, downside delta is increasing, and after that you can see there is a complete control over this X control dots and arrows and all these things, and then you start seeing these algo 1, right? And here this was a great signal right here. I think this is the first time I have seen this minus 189 and X control big dot right here, and two algos right below this VWAP. This was a great signal. If I would have seen these things, I would have been shorting, NQ all over the places. So, and I will forget my bias. But so this was a very, very good signal right here, and it was happening around 374. That was my ideal level to hold above for buyers, for yesterday's buyers, Wednesday's FOMC buyers. The moment it break below with this was a short right there, and then you just target how far you can hold it, Ideally I would say 80s, 13,080. That's where they spent a lot of time yesterday. So that could be a good target, which is this pause area. So that's it. So here there was a 148, 375 here, and there was a supply right of the open, and there was a lot of bid going on here. See that the delta was also rising to the downside, right? So this was a good trade here to follow through, and they hold it, you watch it, and here there is a minus 42, right? So looks like selling is little bit gone, right? But fine, the price has to prove it, right, in order for a bias to come in. But if you look at here, see again algo, right, look at this, there is no buying, right? So you hold it. This thing was all going good, right? When it reached to this 80, right, that's where you see this bigger selling came, right? This could be considered as exhaustion too, right? And 80 is a good support, right? And then you can see this delta 591, 338, so far good, right? But it's decreasing, a little bit decreasing. Then you see minus 67, right? So you can bail out here, right here, if you want to, and that could be your trade for the day. Now if you want to hold it, you can hold it also. Similar scenario like here, right? You can see if buying is coming in, then you bail out. If not, then you hold it. So here minus 67, somebody bought it, right? But on the way up, minus 21, minus 91, right? So you can hold it in that case because there is no buying coming in. And then again went down, right? See, finally at here, yesterday's low, 942, right? Or close to that low. Here some buying came in. At that time you can see this buying, right? Superseding all this buying. So this is a good time to bail out. And then you wait for another opportunity. But unfortunately there was no opportunity here. It was all garbage. Now if you watched my first video, you will notice I already talked about there is a garbage after this point onwards, and you can see it here also. There is no clear cut signal here, so it's advisable not to trade here unless you see something eye catching. See, look at this here, 319, 373. This is not a short signal, it's a garbage. So after that there is no trading. That was the good trade, and that be all for today. I'm not gonna cover ES because now I'm running out of time. I have to prepare the pre-market video for today, which is May 6th. So, but I will cover today's end of day video. I will cover both ES and NQ probably in Mbox. Okay.